Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we will be doing one case study based question on coordinate geometry, the sunroom. The diagrams show the plans for a sunroom. It will be built onto the wall of a house. The four walls of the sunroom are square clear glass panels. So these are the clear glass panels, and the roof is made using four clear glass panels. So these are the clear glass panels, trapezium in shape, all the same size. So you can see trapezium in shape. One tinted glass panel, half a regular octagon in shape, that you can see here. So this is the top view of the same that you can see, and this is the front view. Reference to all these, let's read out the questions now. Refer to the top view. Find the midpoints of the segment joining the points J 6,17 and I 9,16. So that means we are going to apply midpoint formula over here to find out the midpoint. So let's start with the questions now. J 6,17 and I 9,16 have been given. So let's PXY be the midpoint of these given points. And what is the midpoint formula? For x, it is x1 plus x2 over 2. This is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So to obtain the x coordinate, the formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, and for y it is y1 plus y2 over 2. So let's put up the values now. 6 plus 9 over 2 for the value of x, and now for y it is 17 plus 16 over 2. So required coordinates of the midpoint are 15 by 2 and 33 by 2. So let's check the answer now. 15 by 2, 33 by 2 is the third option, which is the correct answer. Now the next question, refer to the top view. The distance of the point P from y-axis is, let's see in the figure now. So as you know, O is the origin and this line is y-axis, and whereas it is x-axis, we are supposed to find out the distance of point P from y-axis. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means the distance of A to P is 4 units. So 4 should be the right answer. Continuing with the third question now. Refer to the front view. The distance between the points A and S is. So again, let's check in the diagram. We have to count the distance of A to S, and we have been given this to be the y-axis, and from here we are going to count it. So let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. The distance between A and S is 16. A graphical paper has been given at the background. So I have counted all those small boxes to count the distance from A to S, that is 16. So 16 is the right answer for this question. Now the next one. Refer to the front view. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:3 internally. So first of all, let's find out the points A and B from the diagram. So let's start with point A. We know that O is the origin, and this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and point A lies in front here. Point next to origin is 1. That means for x we have 1. For y, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means we got the points for A as 1 and 8, where 1 is for x and 8 is for y ordinate. So now we got the points for A, and we are supposed to find out the points for B now, and B lies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at a distance of 5 points. That means for x we got 5 and for y, let's count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The coordinates of point B are from x-axis it is 5 and from y-axis it is 10. The coordinate is 5 to 10, and we were supposed to find out the points of coordinates which divide the line segment joining the points A and B in ratio 1:3 internally. So now we got the point A as 1, 8 and B as 5, 10. We are supposed to find out the points of coordinate which divide these two points A and B in ratio 1:3 internally. So let's find out the points x, y using section formula. For that we have to find out x and y, and let's take the ratio as m1:m2. Now we will multiply m1 with x2. Let me take, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now this is equals to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 over m1 plus m2. Now for y is equals to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 over m1 plus m2. This is section formula. We will solve accordingly. Put up the values now. m1 is 1, x2 is 5, plus m2 is 3 and x1 is 1. You can read like this: 1 into 5 plus 3 into 1 over 1 plus 3. So now we got 5 plus 3 over 4, or you can say 8/4. Basically we are left with x to be 2. X is equals to 2. Now for y, m1 is 1 into y2. y2 is 10 plus m2 3. y1 is 8 over m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 3. 10 plus 24 over 4. So we got 34/4, or we can cancel them out and we are left with 17/2 or 8.5. Hence the required points are 2, 8.5. Let's check the options now. So here is the answer. Fourth option 2.0, 8.5 is the right answer for this question that you can see here. Now the E part, refer to the front view if a point xy is equidistant from the point Q 9, 8 and S 17, 8. Then let's see how to do this. So we have been given a point which is equidistant from these two points. Let that point be P, xy, and Q and R already been given, where Q is given 9 and 8 and S is given to be 17 and 8. We know that PQ is equals to PS, as we have been given that P is equidistant from Q and S. So PQ square will be equals to PS square. Why I have taken the squares? You can see this is the distance formula which is in square roots. Taking the squares on both sides, we can remove this square root. So I have taken the squares on both the sides. So let's apply the formula now. On QP, I am going to apply distance formula. So here x2 minus x1, that means 9 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square. I'm not writing the square root because I have used the square over here. Same with PS now. 17 minus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square. Now we are going to solve them. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now 8 minus y whole square and 8 minus y whole square, you can see they are in front, so we can cut them because they are same brackets. So let's solve for the next now. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's solve it now. This is 81 plus x square minus 18x is equals to 289 plus x square minus 34x. So x square gets cancelled because when it will shift over that side, it will be with minus sign and it will be get cancelled. So what we are left with now, 81 minus 18x as such on the left side, and I'm going to shift the other terms here also, 34 with plus sign and 289 with minus sign. So let's solve it now. Minus 18x plus 34x. This will give us 16x, and minus 289 plus 81 will give us 208. So 16 is common. So we are left with x minus 13 over here. 13 goes over that side and we are left with x minus 13 equal to 0. So you can check the second option, x minus 13 equal to 0 is the correct option. And that's all for this question. Case study based other questions have been put up in the description box. You can go through it and check over there. Thank you so much for watching.